gel that contains 6 types of different ingredients carefully selected by professional of rice. After washing your face, you just need to put this gel. When I use this gel, I feel so fresh. You can use this in morning face care as well. You can use this gel for your whole body. After you take a shower, you just need to have this gel to care of your body. These 6 type ingredients that selected by professional of rice is make your skin very moisturized. Also, the effect is very long lasting. Nothing bad for your skin is used, so even people have weak skin can use it.